Yeah, in any case, generally speaking, OpenRouter is great because you can really try different models. You can connect to different providers, see the capabilities of different models, and they often run promotions, right? Just like this one with the promo code, or often they have promotions without promo code, where like they just offer some access to some models for free.
What I've done is first I went here to Goose, right? And I downloaded the application. Then I redeemed my credits. Here I create an account in OpenRouter. I use the promo code. I got credits, and then I created an API key. Clicking here, new key. So once I click here on new key, I can give a name, and then I create, and that's my API key. And then what I've done is I copied the API key, which is this one, maybe?
Yeah, it's a bit truncated. It's not the full one, but yeah.
I copied that into my Goose instance, which I'm gonna share with you 1 second. Entire screen, which is this one. It's coming up. So here in my desktop, right, I have my Goose application. I have selected OpenRouter here. I clicked on Configure, and then once I click on Configure, I enter my API key, and now I can choose which model I want to use through OpenRouter.